So itu 16 hari 11 tahun 2022. Hari 3 Chilen 12 minggu, minggu ke-7. Sesais dengan hari ke-3.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, gotta keep myself in check. Keep my head up staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my best to move along. Push myself to be the best, not with no regrets. Live very best, my message starts to spread. And I have so many dreams, maybe with your teens. I think really what it seems, trying to find out what it means. Always do it alone, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, put out all the stars, my only best, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, get on adrenaline. Yeah, do this what I do, and I'll be ready, yeah. I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'ma show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'ma show you every side, yeah, how you can get back. Cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working that hard until I get just what I want. I just like the sun, feel like a gun, shooters gonna shoot it, I'ma shoot it till the phone blows to it alone, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the stars, my only best, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, get on adrenaline. Yeah, do this what I do, and I'll be ready, yeah. Everybody knows I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I'm faking now. Everybody knows I'm taking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I'm just now. I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel home. On my own, it is on. That's the only way I know. Feeling out, got to flow back up. I gotta let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more best friends. How do we all let the let you in? Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand any help. I don't wanna be the on the show. Couldn't even hear me if I tried. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. She's got some nice long hair, and you know she's a magic. All the boys say can't help it to have it. Girls got she wears short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Whispers all around say her body is fantastic. All natural gold, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a match. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Can't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I'm always getting better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session, and you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, but she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's not me self-conceited. And I'm not the type of waiter, but I've never hesitated. But she's got me at the ready, so forget my feeling, yeah. She's got a body like it's okay. Keep the body going. Got me feeling lonely. I want the body that show me. She's got a body like it's okay. She got to keep the body going. She's got me feeling lonely. I want the body that show me. Stay out late. I heard you having your boyfriend. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriend. Cause all we got was you and I. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she feels young, they say she can't sold. But everything I play, she gets out of control. Now the boys say she was out from the habits, but I'm too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and no country like a weapon. She's got in my mind like a bad obsession. She got bad intentions. She got a body like a cocaine. Like to keep the body going. Got me feeling lonely. I want the body that show me. She got a body like a cocaine. She got to keep the body going. Show me. Yeah, I'm a money kid, bro. I swear to God, I'm big, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Shit, I never give up. I got this, and I got it. I will work when I'm on it. Never walk it. I'm the toxic. Be logic. Make a logic. All this, yeah, fuck this. Never touch it. Fuck it. I'm the hardest. Not cut this. Watch it. Motherfucking get a work this. Fuck it. Be logic. I'm dropping. Chronic. I'm in a motherfucking watch it. Back to the best. Take it back to the best. I go back to the best. Running back to the best. When you can't get a best. Go we back. Go we back. Go back. Go we back. Go the best. 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 Gotta play better than full place. Not down. I'm a rock. I'm not still alive. I'm a rock. I'm a rock. I'm not getting out. I'm a fight game. Shows, I don't know, but I'm ready till I chose one. Here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them, baby. You really love me, you really hate me. On a scale of 1 to 10, would you grade me? On social media, it's got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, maybe everyone's invaded. I see it's naked, I'm not really hated, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, thinking about some real time, talking about the real climb. Actually, in the real rhymes, real time, back on my head. I'm thinking back on my life, I just wanna feel alive. Yeah, I'm a money kid, bro. I swear to God, kid, bro. Nigga, I ain't never did it, bro. Shit, I never did fuck, bitch, you gonna make it. Motherfucking take it back from me. Playing twice with the players. I'm passing it, that's when it happens. Flashing and action, crashing and captain, distracting. I'm racing my baddest, facing the madness. I'm up in attraction, I'm pointing the distraction. I'm snapping, I'm catching, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking. I'm handing, I'm passing, I'm pressing the habit. I'm fucking rapping, I'm fucking rapping. I'm gonna stand it, flashing, reacting, expanding, crashing, planning the habit. So I'm gonna catch it, I'm saying that's it. I'm a fucking rapper, put them on practice. They will never practice, don't be so dramatic. I'm never practice, this shit's never practice. They go to next message.
The most important thing to do first thing in the morning is get yourself in a powerful state. If you're in a great mood, you will produce great results. You will have a great day. The better your attitude, the better the results you produce. The better your attitude, the better you can handle, overcome, and thrive through challenges and difficulties that come your way. So get yourself in a great mood. Do whatever it takes to get that feeling first thing in the morning. Whatever works for you, meditation, reading, gratitude, music, exercise. These are all good options that get you in state. But your mind is
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in check. Keep my head up staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, not with no regrets. Live with better breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, maybe with your teens. I didn't really want to see, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the stars, my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, I'm grateful, oh yeah, you know me, I have only the best, I'm only the best, I'm going, I'm ready to fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'ma show you my path, if you want that, I'ma show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working that hard until I get just what I want, yeah, just like the sun, yeah, they know like a gun, shooters gonna shoot it, I'm gonna shoot it till I fall, always do it alone, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all the stars, my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, I'm grateful, oh yeah, you know me, I have only the best, I'm only the best, I'm going to win, yeah. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it real somewhere I can't believe. No love on, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's make it my phone there, I want the crown, okay. Give me my man, catch how she will be great. Take you bad, say, this is just the beginning. Close it in, I did it, there ain't no point in existing. Living life like a dream, every time that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been time to escape. I'm a stage, you're a dream, okay, it's a dream. Ain't no play, that's a team, up there, really me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, I'll be great. I'm stuck in it, if I play, then I'll win. I'm just saying, I'm still, that's a death for me. I'm staying, I have no shame, how you do that. To see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. If I in my past, my progression. I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, but you slow it down. then I'm alone. It's too lonely. I've been searching, always wanting more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me? Then I'm alone. It's too lonely. I've been searching, always wanting more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me? Then I'm alone. It's too lonely. I've been searching, always wanting more. Can you hear me?
Don't be bitter. Don't be mean. Don't be aggressive. Something doesn't come. Where's fun? Where's your purpose? Where's your dreams?
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life now. I wanna back it up. You ain't see me agitated. You better off that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions later, I'm frustrated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's so plenty, I'm body is in it. I'm never second guessing. Just do whatever's best, 'cause I feel like I got the blessing. Persistent in obsession. That's how you keep progressing. I'm ready with that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life now. I wanna back it up, yeah. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back at road. No fear, see clear, you just make me great. I know it feels like he's heading your way. Push through those walls in the ocean. Stand up, stand tall, you can get it real. I need some energy, science, no recipe. I'm showing memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. You can tell you like the day of the best, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take the gas, I wanna feel like I'm a person. I wanna have faith in everything. Try to like the picture list, you can move on fast. It's a make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back at road again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back at road again.
You can't push yourself forward if all you're thinking about is the doubts and the negative things that people are saying. Because you're relying more on their ideas and their dreams of you instead of you relying on your own dreams and ideas of yourself. Why would you want to surround yourself with people that don't have ideas? They're not great. Why would you want to surround yourself because of a number? You know, a lot of people tend to wonder, oh, how many friends they have and how many people in their corner. Well, I have 1 million followers. I have tens of thousands and thousands and thousands of people that support me. How many of those people do you actually know? Do you realize the power that you have right now? Even the people that don't like you, they are drawn to you. They see you, but they don't see your greatness. They don't see what you truly have inside. They are afraid of it. They don't lift it up. They don't encourage it because they're not happy. So they want you to come on their side. They want you to believe in their ideas of what you think of yourself. They doubt you and you believe what they doubt. Instead of you waking up from your slumber. Instead of you waking up from this nightmare of despair. And letting your opportunities come to life. It's going to be a tough time, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be rough. It's going to be some tough times and tough days ahead for you. But that doesn't mean your ideas are going to die. That doesn't mean that you stop. It doesn't mean you stop believing in yourself. You just got to keep on working. When you got people looking at you from the left side and the right side, from the front to the back, and you in the middle, just remember, everybody's watching. Just give them something to see. Let them see it. Oh, you watching me? Watch this. Oh, you want to stop me? You can't stop this. That's the mentality that you must have in yourself. But you can't give up now. I know what that pain feels like. I know how to absorb that pain. And I know how to keep marching. And I know how to keep moving. And I know how to get productive in my life. You can't stop, but you can create. You can hate it, but you can't dominate it. Because it belongs to me. Your ideas belongs to you.
So many people dream big dreams, but they never take any action. So listen to me carefully. If you don't believe in yourself, you've already lost the battle. Not believing in yourself is a losing battle because either you won't try at all or you will convince yourself that you can't do it. And when you convince yourself that you can't do it, your results are going to confirm what you believe. You fall short of your goals when you predict that you're not going to hit them. And sometimes you're too focused on probability. You're asking yourself, well, what's the likelihood of this happening? Versus focusing on the possibility. Asking yourself, how would my life change if I accomplish this? Ask Ask yourself that question. And don't wait on approval from anyone outside of you. And don't feel bad because you feel like no one is cheering for you. No, you've got to decide that you are your biggest fan. You've got to decide that you're going to finish what you started and you don't have one person supporting you. If nobody acknowledges you, acknowledge yourself. If nobody supports you, support yourself. This is the thing. If you keep showing up, if you keep going hard, if you stay consistent through your valley moments, your results will turn those who ignore you into fans.
It's not that you don't want everything that comes with the path that leads to your true potential, but you're too hung up on blaming the past and the present. You're too hung up on blaming your mom for how she treated you when you were younger. You're too hung up on blaming your teachers for how they spoke to you. You're too hung up on the shitty thing that happened to you years ago. I'm not trying to discredit your pain, but you gotta let that go. And because of that, you aren't able to appreciate the strength and power you have today. You aren't able to step into that power because you are choosing to justify excuses every single time you open your fucking eyes. It's time to take responsibility. Understand that you are in control of how you feel every day, what you do every day, how you act every day. So don't get it twisted. The excuse that these outside sources control how you feel, what you do, and how you act is just a justification that has been drilled into your head since you were younger. Break out of it. Understand that we have the power to change our lives. Stop putting the power in other people's hands by blaming them for your current situation. Take that shit back. Choose to shift the trajectory of your life so you can live up to your true potential. And don't for 1 second think it's going to be easy.
If it's important to you, you'll find a way. You won't have to look for a resource. You will become resourceful. It's not always about the accomplishment. It's about the effort. If you just keep the effort going, the excuses are going. You gotta be strong with your excuses. Excuses don't get results. We get one opportunity to come this way. We get one shot. We got one life to live. Life is too short to make excuses.
We get the strange feeling that we have never had in our lives, that we are no longer this poor little stranger and afraid the world will never make.
Momentum is a big thing with human beings. It's a big thing for me at least. If I'm on a good momentum of healthy eating and exercise, I love it. I like waking up sore, pushing further. I like writing down my workouts, what I've done. And I like hitting that gym hard on a daily basis. And I build momentum. And I find that when I do that with writing, when I do that with performing, when I do that with anything, it just gets everything going. It just creates energy. Being lazy robs you of energy. Like being sedentary, being uninspired, being bored, it robs you of one of the most precious things you can have in this life, enthusiasm. One of the things I tell people all the time, because a lot of people have a hard time defining themselves. They define themselves by failure because they failed. But I'm like, you're not your failures, you're you. Okay, your life is a series of lessons you've learned. Now, if you just dwell on the failures, like that's not healthy. It's not smart. It's not powerful. What you got to do is look at those failures and go, well, now you know what not to do. But you're not that. You're you.
It was hard because so happy to have a job now. At the same time, I was like, look what I'm growing in my work. And my life at that time had become extremely vital. Meaning I just had a newborn son who's come up. Wow, the only thing I ever known to be, and now I was. And here's this job that I had held most reverence for my life, fatherhood, now I was. My emotions, the ceiling and the base of my emotions, the range was so wide. I was laughing loud, crying harder, getting angry, showing more joy, having more sadness, all across the board. All emotions were much more extreme than they were or could be in the work. I said, your life's more vital than your work, but can my work challenge the vitality I feel in my life? So the work I wanted to do, I wanted to do down stuff at that time. I was good. Nobody's going to touch me with 10-foot poles. All the dramatic roles I wanted to do, like, no, I'm a guy who won't. I said, okay, so I can't do what I want to do. So I'm going to stop doing what I do. So I stopped doing wrong. I said, no, stop. Well, for the first 6 months of not doing wrong, I wasn't doing anything. Finally, nothing came in. And for 14 months, nothing came in. I considered other careers. Didn't know better work again. But after 20 months of being gone, unbranding as I call it, being out of sight, not being in your theater or your living room in the wrong home, not seeing me shirtless on the beach, I became a new good idea. I don't know, I haven't seen him. Where's he been? I was kind of refound. So I had to do that for myself. I loved doing the wrong home, but I was getting scripts. I felt like I could do the same script tomorrow morning. And I was like, that's fine. I want something that's going to make me sweat my boots. I want some work that's going to challenge me and make me go, I'm scared of this role for all the right reasons. And I can't wait to go attack it and see what I can see. I can come up the other side.
Why seek the role that's hard?
Because it costs me something. Because it costs. It's not really a risk unless you lose a fight. I feel more alive in it. I have an experience in the making of it. I'm nervous every day I come to work. I feel like when I nail a leg and I knock it, I know I did. I feel like, yes. I have a measure at the end of the day. Like, you set out to do something. You prepared for it. You had attention, and you did it.
There's lots of different ways to interpret the world, and you can maybe make a case that there's an endless number of ways to interpret the world. And the problem with that is that it disorients you in terms of what you should be doing. Just because there's a very large number of ways to interpret the world doesn't mean there's a very large number of productive, meaningful, and sustainable ways to interpret the world. The thing that's so interesting about the day is like a page in a book. I had one client who was spending about 45 minutes a night fighting with his young son about when to go to bed. And so, they were having a pleasant time with it. It was just a constant battle. And that's common. Like, it's very common for parents of young children to be locked in a battle that occurs day after day. Sometimes it's around eating, sometimes it's toilet training, sometimes it's general behavioral issues, sometimes it's bedtime. It's like, okay, 40 minutes a day. So that's 280 minutes a week. So that's like, say, 5 hours, 20 hours a month, 240 hours a year.